Myco Chum from Plant Revolution is an industry-leading plant supplement. It is specifically designed to feed the soil microbes and encourage mycorrhizal fungi. From the same company that brought you Great White Premium Mycorrhizae and Orca Liquid Mycorrhizae comes this revolutionary soil-boosting formula. Designed to feed the microbes in those flagship products, Myco Chum is packed full of sugars and micronutrients. Derived from kelp, molasses, fish hydrolysate, and humic acids, Myco Chum is sure to make a difference in your garden. Simply mix the required amount of Myco Chum in water and apply to plants. It can even be used in a compost tea to feed microbes and in turn feed plants. Simply water in, mix into your reservoir, or feed out through drip lines. Find us on social media for more content, tips, and gardening know-how.